So guys, yes, if you guys can see the 481.60, it's coming down now. Hi guys, subscribe to my channel to never ever miss out any of the learning videos from my channel. So guys, yes, today is 8th of June and the time is around 9:30 now. So let's see how the pre-open market has opened today. So going to the pre-open market data. So here you can see the pre-open market is opening at 15,773.90, that is 0.14% up. So almost it's making a new high every single day. You know, the Nifty is very bullish now. Advanced stocks are 33, declines are 12, and unchanged is 5 stocks. So let's see the stock which is opening in the most gap up section, that is Power Grid with 1.14% up and NTPC with 0.95% up. And let's see the stock which is opening in the most gap down section, that is Shrichem with 0.45% down and Sun Pharma with 0.35% down. So yes, so this is how the pre-open market has opened today. So it's making a new high, and just in few minutes I'll be selecting the stock and I'll be showing you my live trade what I do today. So make sure you stay tuned for that. And before that, if you're new to my channel, a subscribe to my channel would be amazing. And also if you're new to a stock market trading and want to learn how to make money consistently in stock market trading, you can join my course today. You can message me on the WhatsApp number displayed on the screen to get in touch with me and to take the course and learn how you guys can make consistent profit from today. You can watch the video till the end to get all the information regarding this. Guys, Upstock is giving you free digital gold whenever you sign up using my link given in the description below. Okay, you can go to the link in the description below and open your Upstock account. So once you open your free account, you will get free digital gold of worth rupees 51 to you. Okay, and to open your Demat account, it's completely free. You don't have to pay any fees. You can use the link in the description below and click that link and open your free account today and get your free Demat trading account and free digital gold and also brokerage free investment in stocks, mutual funds, IPO and digital gold and more. Okay, and once you sign up by using the link given in the description below, I'll add you to my Telegram channel where I give you stock information, news and facts about stock market trading. So open the account now by going to the link in the description below of this video. So click the link and open your free account now and also get your free digital gold today. So guys, right now I've selected BPCL stock to trade and I shall short sell this stock now. So yes, around the market level in intraday. So yes, sell is placed around 482. So now let's wait for the stock to come down and we'll see how it will perform. So we are holding the short sell position of BPCL right now. So guys, yes, as you can see, the stock went up till 483 somewhere around here, and now it's coming back to 482. So this is the level where I short sold. So yeah, still holding the short sell position. We'll see how the BPC will perform today. So market right now minus 0.06% down. So guys, yes, if you guys can see the 481.60, it's coming down now. So we had short sold around 482. So now it's coming down. So let's see. It will take some time. We'll wait for it. So guys, yes, as you guys can see, 479.90 now. So we short sold around 482. So almost I'll exit around 478 or 479 if it's coming down. So almost 0.5% target has already been booked now. So if you book 4 rupees target, so it will be like almost 1%. So we'll see. Still waiting for it. We are still holding the short sell position of BBCL right now, and even if you see, the market is also coming down. So 0.09% down the market. So this is how the market looks today. So it's coming down too. So let's see. Let's wait for it to come down a bit. So 479 as of now. So we'll see. Yes, I took the exit now, so go to the position, and yes, so this was the profit what I was able to book today in the today's state of BPCL. So if you guys wish to earn consistent profit like this and want to learn all these techniques, you can join us today and learn all these strategies and techniques how you can make consistent profit in intraday trading. So I do provide NSE and MCX trading course. The course prices are very less and reasonably priced. You can check all of the details in my blogspot, that is trading0.blogspot.in. The link is in the description below of this video. So many of the people has got into my trading program and now they are making money consistently, and even the people who had losses are now starting to recover their losses. You can watch all of these things with the earning proof here with the ledgers, and if you guys are interested and motivated to make consistent profit like this, you can join us today. Okay, so once you join us, you will be getting lifetime support and live market guidance also. I'll be teaching you guys personally how you can make consistent profit in intraday trading. Okay, so if you guys wish to stop your losses from today and want to learn how to make consistent profit like this, you can message me now on the WhatsApp number displayed on the screen to get in touch with me and to take the course and learn how you guys can make consistent profit from today. And also these are the advantages and benefits what you get once you join us. So once you join us, you will be able to earn consistently in trading. I'll be teaching you 95% accuracy, unique and secret strategies with no indicators, and also I'll be teaching you a very good timing and discipline what is needed. Just by spending only 15 to 30 minutes per day, you can make 10% profit on your capital. Okay, that is, you can earn 1000 rupees per day with the investment of just 10,000 only. And also I'll be guiding you with a very good money management system and a risk trading system. And also, as you guys know, my course prices are very less and reasonably priced. So you guys can go inside my channel and watch all the other videos, a lot of educational videos, strategies, tricks, tips, and a lot of things in my channel. So watch all of these things and subscribe to my channel if you're not subscribed. And also every day I upload like how much profit we made on what stock we traded with the profit proof every single day. So if you guys wish to earn consistent profit like this and want to recover your losses from today and want to stop your losses from today, you can join us now. So thank you guys so much for watching this video. Have a good day. I'll see you in the next one very soon.